Hi everyone, welcome you all to my channel again. Today we are going to discuss about salts. What salt should we use? Is Himalayan pink salt healthier than normal salt? Or should you use rock salt or continue using iodized salt? Let's find out the truth behind the salts today. These are the options that can confuse you in supermarket. They are normal iodized salt, rock salt, Himalayan pink salt and low sodium salt. Let's discuss about low sodium salt later in this video and start comparing other three salts now. Normal iodized salt contains 98% of sodium chloride. Even rock salt and Himalayan pink salt also contains somewhere between 96 to 99% of same sodium chloride. Rest is tiny amount of other minerals. You would have read or heard that Himalayan pink salt is better than common salt as they contain more minerals. Is this claim true? Let's start comparing the amount of minerals in both common salt and also Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink salt has 1.6 milligram of calcium while common salt has 0.4 milligram of calcium. Magnesium is around 1.06 in pink salt and in common salt it is 0.0139. Potassium is around 2.8 in pink salt and in common salt it is 1.9. Iron 0.0369 in pink salt and 0.010 in common salt. Sodium is around 369 in pink salt and in common salt it is 381. So yes, pink salt have more minerals than common salt. But wait, how much of salt can you take per day? According to WHO, an adult should not consume more than 5 grams of salt, that is approximately 1 teaspoon of salt. If you think you can meet your daily recommended amount of minerals by taking salt, then do you know how much of salt should you be consuming? You must consume at least 1 kg of salt per day. So, aiming to get minerals from pink salt is like searching for a lost ring in an ocean. So let's talk about low sodium salt now. Low sodium salt contains less sodium. This means some sodium chloride is replaced with potassium chloride to reduce sodium intake. This can look beneficial for patients with high blood pressure, but it is not safe for all. Low sodium salt can cause high level of potassium in blood and can lead to life-threatening complication for some people. Doctors have already started encountering patients who took low sodium salt and had reported with life-threatening complications. People with diabetes, kidney problems, heart problems are at higher risk of these complications, so please consult your doctor before taking low sodium salt. So to sum up, salt is a salt. All type of salt except for low sodium salt have almost same amount of sodium chloride. A little bit of minerals found in Himalayan pink salt will not have any effect on your health. In fact, the normal iodized salt is very important to prevent iodine deficiency and thereby support thyroid health. So, we can conclude that normal iodized salt provides much more health benefits than other salts. Whichever salt you choose to use, make sure that you do not consume more than 5 to 6 grams of salt per day. Please like, comment and share if you find this content useful. Thanks for watching. Good day.